go. This is what I've been working on, boys. More videos soon once we finish this all up, you know what I mean? Actually, well, in between there's gonna be more, but more constant. Boys, demo's being done right now. That's what I've been up to. Ian's old lair or whatever. Actually, speaking of Ian, might have a little something with him in this video. There's a basement demo if you guys are wondering, man. Some people have been asking. I don't think anyone cares, but it is what it is. All right, let's get to it. Oh, just chug a glass of water and it's not feel good in me. You know, you swallow too bad and the frickin' gets lumped up in your throat, bro. Oh, that's a pause. Never mind. Yikes. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Yo, man, if you guys could thumbs up, comment down below. I love you guys so much. Also, if you do comment thumbs up down below, I do have a little mystery package for one of you guys. We're gonna start that up again with old jewelry we have unboxed. One guy on Instagram, you know who you are. I owe you a ring. I can't find your name. I forget what it was. So if you could hit me up, that'd be dope. It's like I've owed it to him for a long time, and I just can't find his freaking name until he messages me. Anyway, on to the video. Keep it real quick, huh? So long story short on this one, man, because I like to make them long, but I don't really speak well, you know what I mean? So whatever somebody needs to get across, that could usually take 20 seconds. It takes me like 2 minutes because I don't really know how to articulate because I didn't pay attention in school whatsoever my whole life. Probably shouldn't have done that, to be honest. I can't even damn read. A little bit, though. Alright, boys. So, this is going to be sketchy or not. I actually trust that it's not going to be sketchy. We got a package right here. It says Brandon on it. This is from Ian. Cameraman Ian, who lived in the basement. Totally off camera the other day. This, I don't even think was meant for a video. He handed it to me when he was over. And I was like, yo, dope, man. And I was about to open it. And then I said, do you think, like, this is something maybe I could add on the channel for a video? Oh, I'm on this freaking water cleanse, boys. Holy hell. I'm going through like one of these every half hour just cuz, you know, just filter out the body from all the toxins of beer. Anyway, so he gave this to me just as like a thank you for him being a roommate and friends, I don't know, 3 years I think he was a roommate. I was weirded out at first, bro, because I always frick with him, and when he gets a chance, which he never does, he'll like maybe frick with me back, especially when we've done videos before with things that he's given me. However, I don't know, it was weird because he's already given me another bottle of something, but I did make him promise, and I know this is a fact, because like, there's jokes, but it goes too far if you swear on some lives and stuff. Or Ian's just going to hell in this video if he's lying. He did say it would be something you guys like. Actually, he did. I was going to keep it a secret. He did say it's jewelry, which doesn't make a lot of sense to me why he would get me jewelry. But I guess I like jewelry, so I guess, I don't know. The whole thing seems a little fishy. But this is from Cameraman Ian, a little parting gift. Jewelry, when I heard that, I said, can I give you $1 for it? He said, no, it's yours. I said, no, let me give you $1 so I could say I paid $1 for this in the title. Because what else am I going to say? Opening up a package from freaking Cameraman Ian that slams 15 girls at a time? Which is why he's not here, by the way. He's slamming some MILFs. So, can you even say that on YouTube anymore? It's weird. I don't know if I have to bleep that. But, yeah, Ian actually wanted him to be in this video. Here's a package from Ian, a thank you, apparently jewelry, and I do believe him on that because he swore on some moms out there, you know what I mean? Mine and his. So Ian, you're going to hell if you're lying. Let's go, boys. I'm actually really excited. Dude's got a good paying job. Like, this could be a really nice piece. I'm just gonna put it out there. Some people will keep that in. I'm just gonna say it real. Yo, I just realized real quick, as I'm talking about detox, I got a damn White Claws and White Claw cans on my counter here. I actually am doing a 3-day detox, boys. This is good. That wasn't a good look, man. I'll put it right there. It's quite full. It's actually quite tempting. I usually like to crack one before a video, but anyway, into the video. Boys, from Ian. First off, bag. Kind of sick. I don't know if you're calling me a p*** or not, because there's a lot of sparkles on this Ian, but we'll go with it. Maybe that's what's inside. Maybe. I mean, I'm getting a little crazy here. Maybe. I'm pretty sure I saw it somewhere. My desk is a mess. I gotta clean this thing. Maybe I need the diamond tester is what I'm looking for. Right here. Probably not, but we'll see. Dude tied this like a Boy Scout, boys. There we go. That's weird. Interesting. No wrapping, obviously. What would I expect? And there is, I do feel, okay, so I do feel something. The only thing I see so far is a freaking Marlboro pack. Marlboro from the States, which is weird. We don't even sell those in Canada, but he was just on a state strip. I quit smoking, so that's kind of scummy of you, Ian. First off, I don't want a friggin' cigarette, bro. I can already tell. We gotta watch, boys. You can just feel the feel. Let's go. He actually didn't lie. The Marlboro thing is a little fucked up when I'm trying to actually just like really quit cold turkey. That's a little fucked. But whatever. Oh, bro, boys, I have no idea what this could be. I really don't. Oh, I just have another video idea. Sorry, continue. When did they change their packs? When I was there last, they had like more color on it. Okay, anyway, I'm pretty sure. Okay, anyway, boys, you fucking can't. Oh, I really can't say that word on YouTube. What if? Yo, that's scum. Is that the Johnny Dang one? You can't even. That is, isn't it? Oh, you bitch! I gave him this watch, boys, because I don't really like leather. I wasn't going to say it. I felt it was leather. You could always change the strap. No, that's... I gave him this watch and he smashed it. Really not. How do you even smash it with the glass cover? You f***ing douche. Yeah, Johnny Dang. I'm pretty... Oh, yeah, no, it's the logos on the side. I remember buying this, bro. You remember the video of it, too. I haven't seen... You fucking asshole. Fudge. I can't... swear that much. I paid $1 for a broken Johnny Dang watch, boys. Now I'm reselling it, and I'm gonna put the money. Oh, I'm gonna light the money on fire with it, like inside a little bag of SHIT that I get from. I'm sure I could sell it on eBay, and light it on fire and put it on his doorstep. I mean, it's just there's no content there. This isn't even the one with diamonds, is it? I thought there was. Oh no, I did have one with diamonds in the face. That was a different one. Yeah, that's like low, bro. I'm sure he, like, accidentally smashed it and gave it back, maybe. I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt. Appreciate y'all for watching Breaking the Game. That pissed me off a little bit. I'm not going to lie. You don't return to get broken, bro. Bye. Love you.